Hey y'all, it's me in a chair this time, and I'm about to show y'all how I did this bust down Quickweave real quick. So yeah, this is my halfway blow dried hair because yeah. So I braided it down. We did do a middle part. So I did me like 6 chunky braids in my head. This is my first cap. I'm just cutting out my ear tabs, and then I'm going to drench my cap in spritz, and then I'm going to apply a second cap. Now this is how I mold my quick weaves. Real simple, real quick, and no glue ever touches my hair. It comes straight off like a wig. Um, so yeah, so you want to make sure that you drench the entire cap fully, and then I sat under the dryer and let that dry, and then after that I cut it off, and now we're about to get into gluing down these 3 bundles. These bundles are from my hair collection. Everything will be in the description below. Make sure you get yours. So I always do my 2 pieces in the front first. This is going to help your hair fall in your face. Especially with middle parts, you want your hair to fall in your face. So after that, I do glue my tracks in a U shape to follow my head until we get all the way to the top. You want to keep going all the way to the front just so that your front is full. And that's it, y'all. You just go in a U shape all the way around until you get to the top.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
Alrighty, y'all. After I glue in all my tracks, I go in and get ready to lay this Leaveout. The only products that I use on my Leaveout is heat protectant, a wax stick, and spritz. So I go in and wax. You want to lightly just wax your leave out, and then I hot comb those roots, and then I go in to press out the leave out. And then after I press out all of my leave out, I do go in and finish styling the rest of my hair. And I'm just doing it bone straight, so I'm literally going to be doing the same thing to my bundles except for using the wax stick on them. Alright, and after I finish straightening the rest of these bundles, I do go in and with my finishing touches, just a little bit of hairspray, and then I like to spray spritz on top of my leave out. And y'all, this is the look. Real bust down. And don't forget to cut those ends. I love a good blunt cut ends, y'all. It just makes the hair look a lot fuller. But yeah, y'all, this is the look. I hope you guys learned something, picked up something, and you can try to do your own quick weave from this video. And y'all don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, do it all, because I love y'all. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.